Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create and paste border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create an art page border. Now, going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a draw text box. Now draw a text box all page. Then we can see art page border. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape outline. Now click for a pattern option, then choose permanent pattern. Now choose a color, then OK, then again outline option, then click for a widget option, then click for 650. That is. Now zoom from page, then you show create art page border in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.